Hello everyone! Today I'll guide you through the process of creating an iCloud account on your new iPhone. Before we begin, make sure to stick around till the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. To start, locate the Settings app on your device. It's the one with an icon resembling gears and is usually found on your home screen. Next, tap on Sign In to your device. If there's already another Apple Idaho signed in and you want to create a new one, tap on that user's Apple Idaho and then select Sign Out at the bottom of the menu. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign out. If you're using an older version of iOS, tap on iCloud instead and then select Create a new Apple Idaho. Tap on Don't have an Apple Idaho or Forgot it located below the password field. Now, tap on Create Apple Idaho and enter your valid birth date. Then, tap Next and select your birthday by swiping up or down on the month, day and year fields. Next, enter your first and last name and then tap Next. Enter your current email address or create a new iCloud email address. If you're using your current email address with iCloud, tap on Use your current email address and enter it. Otherwise, tap on Get a free iCloud email address and follow the prompts to create a new one. After entering your email address, tap Next and then tap Continue. Now create a new password that meets the specified requirements and then tap Next. Enter your phone number, select the corresponding country, and choose how you want to verify your number either via text message or phone call. Tap Next and verify your phone number using the verification method you selected. If verifying via text message, enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your number. If verifying via phone call, listen to the automated message and enter the 6-digit verification code provided. Agree to the terms and conditions by tapping Agree after reading them. Enter your device's passcode, which is the unlock code you set up when you first got your device. Once done, you'll be automatically signed in to your new Apple ID. Choose whether you want to merge your device's data with your new iCloud account by tapping Merge or Don't Merge. And there you have it. You've successfully created an iCloud account on your new iPhone. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.